Hi everybody, this is Nick Rupp. I'm going to talk about the law of demand today. The law of demand is something that you're probably already aware of. You may just not be familiar with the term. The law of demand says the following. If the price of the good goes up, consumers buy less. If the price of the good goes down, consumers buy more. So let's use the steak market as an example of this. In the steak market, if the prices rise for steak, then consumers will want to buy less steak. This is illustrated by raising the price by $1. We see we move along the demand curve, and now we have 20 fewer units consumed of steak. Likewise, if steak prices drop, the law of demand says people are going to buy more steak. So in this example, going from $3.30 to $2.30, or a $1 price reduction, leads to an increase in quantity demanded. Now $2.40 instead of $2.20. So an important part here, law of demand. Two things to keep in mind. First, the law of demand requires that the demand curve have a negative slope. Again, the demand curve shows the relationship between price and quantity demanded. There's a separate video that talks about steak demand. Encourage you to watch that. The second part of the law of demand is we move along the demand curve. We don't shift the demand curve when there's been a price change of steak. So I hope you've enjoyed the video on the law of demand. It gives us a downward sloping demand curve, and it also tells us we move along the demand curve when there's been a price change of that good. We don't shift the demand curve. Thank you.